Turtles' secret butt breathing. Some turtles breathe through their butts. That's right, these underwater survival pros have a secret superpower that lets them extract oxygen from water using their cloaca, a multi-purpose opening in their bodies. When winter hits and ponds freeze over, turtles can't come up for air. So, they rely on cloacal respiration, where special sacs called bursts inside their butts absorb oxygen straight from the water. This bizarre trick means turtles can stay submerged for months at a time, hibernating peacefully while their bodies get just enough oxygen to survive the cold. You're looking at one of the wildest adaptations in the animal kingdom, all happening quietly beneath the ice, thanks to some seriously impressive butt-breathing biology.